Bullshit. Come on, man, say it. Don't be afraid. Hey, Kyle, you mind giving me a hand? I got something heavy in the truck I need help carrying in the house. Matter of fact, screw helping you. Hey, man, come carry this in the house for me, dude. Oh, another receiver? That? Oh, no. That's a tool that I needed to buy today to help me install all that insulated ducting in the crawl space. Remember me bringing all that ducting home? Yeah. See, Kyle, if I didn't buy this tool, you'd have had to come under the house and help me for a couple of days, right? What? Same name as my radio receivers in my junk room, my bedroom? Oh, yeah, Helicrafters. A coincidence, man. Yeah, crazy, huh? Yeah. Hey, Kyle, there's other stuff in the back seat. A few minor tools I picked up today as well. If you would, son, please carry them into my lab. Thanks, Kyle. You're the best.